Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sururi from Educational Administration Department, Faculty of Education, Indonesia University of Education. I will presentation my research. The title of my research is The Influence of Gross Regional Domestic Product Against Mean Years of Schooling. Background this research, Central Bureau of Statistics atau BPS data show that the mean years of schooling in West Java was 8.46 years. That data was included in a low category, which means that the average people pursued educational until grade 2 in junior high school. It was different from government policy, which was 6 to 10 years compulsory study. It was like the mean years of schooling in Indonesia were not much different compared in Indonesian government in the last 5 years had put much effort into achieving the target based on medium-term development plan that 2019 Indonesia will have an average of study length years. In general, this research aims to know the effect between the gross regional domestic product again means year of schooling of West Java province. The methods used in this research is a regression model consists of 4 stakes, which are a determination of estimation model, determination of estimation method, testing of assumption, and model suitability and interpretation. Based on the result of the t-test show that the independent variable in which gross regional domestic product has coefficient 0,0714 and the score of p-value is 0.0560, in which the score of the alpha 0.05, therefore score at the p-value 0.05, which means that the relation between independent variable such as gross regional domestic product is very small or insignificant on the dependent variable such as mean years of schooling. The result of the panel regression test states that the gross regional domestic product doesn't have an influence on the mean years of schooling in West Java by the probability score of 0.0555. It improved the proof that the small gross regional domestic product will not attract people interest to improve their education. However, in human capital theory, explain that the plus point or human capital will improve because of the need for good and service production. In the score of gross regional domestic product is small. It does not influence on mere years of schooling. Therefore, the small score of gross regional domestic product doesn't attract the people interest to improve the formal education level. Besides, the small score of gross regional domestic product states that area has a low level of good and service production and misdistribution economic. So, it doesn't attract the people interest to improve education level as an added value for human capital. However, mean years of schooling has a relation with the gross regional domestic product. The mean years of schooling increase or vice versa will increase or decrease the value of gross regional domestic product. Likewise, the opposite gross regional product is increase or decrease will be possible for mean year of schooling into increase or vice versa. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.